Run.
Hey guys, welcome back to my last Halloween video of 2019. So I'm just creating a skull look, and this is a little bit different than my normal skull looks. I'm kind of doing it a little bit opposite, and I'm painting my entire face black, and then going in with the white and kind of creating the skull that way. So I'm using this Mayron water activated paint, and I'm painting my entire face black. This took about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and I kind of noticed that I had to go in a few times with this paint, so I would probably recommend more of like an oil-based paint, but this worked well as well. I just kind of needed to go over it a few times. So after my whole face is painted, and then going in with a NYX white eyeliner, and I'm going to draw in kind of like the rest of the skull. So I'm going in and drawing the cheekbones, and like the temples right now, and with white eyeliner you have to kind of work slow. So what I did was I kind of started in small sections, and I kind of kept dipping it back into the eyeliner and shaking it up. The goal for this look is I'm kind of leaving the more hollow parts as like a normal traditional skull would be. I'm leaving the hollow parts blank, and then filling in the middle parts of the face, which is, so it's kind of a little bit opposite than what a normal skull would be. Then I'm moving on to the teeth, and the best way I can describe doing teeth is kind of drawing like a Hershey's kiss and extending the top part up. So it's really easy to pick it up if you just watch. So I'm just kind of drawing. I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit, and I'm just gonna draw on the teeth. I fill in my whole mouth area. You can do just the top if you wanted to as well. I think that would look cool too. You'll see in a second that I find it a little bit easier to draw the outline of the teeth first and then fill it in after with the white eyeliner. This part is a little bit time consuming as well as the black face paint, but after these two parts, the look actually comes together kind of fast. After I'm done drawing in and filling in all the teeth, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and shade around the teeth, and also on the line that I extended above the teeth. And that's just going to create more depth and dimension and make it look a little bit more realistic. I'm also taking a Urban Decay gold glitter eyeliner, and I'm also going over the teeth with that and kind of extending the lines just a little bit further with that gold eyeliner. It's not a huge detail, but when the light hits it the right way, it does look really cool with this look. Then moving on to the nose, I'm drawing a triangle with that same white eyeliner, and then in the middle of that, I'm drawing another smaller triangle. I'm going to fill in the smaller triangle with the white, and then I'm going to fill in the bigger triangle with that gold eyeliner by Urban Decay again. And again, it doesn't make a huge detail. You can't like see it very well in the video, but in person and when the light hits it, I think it would look really cool. Liquid highlighter. This one is by Cover FX, and it's the Moonstone, I think it's called. It's of the lightest highlighter that they have, and I'm putting that right above my brow bone, and this kind of just makes the front bone part stand out a little bit more right above the eyes. Here I'm just hollowing out the jaw area, and you'll see when I start to put the gold flecks on that I put the gold right underneath. I'm taking a Ben Nye glitter glue. You can pretty much use whatever glitter glue you have or eyelash glue. And I'm taking this gold flake and I'm going to fill in my cheekbones and also my forehead, a little bit on my chin and also my jawline with this. And I really think that this just makes the look come together and it really just adds like a different aspect to the skull. When I was putting this on, the gold did get everywhere, but once it's on, it stays. So just a little heads up for that.
Run.
For the eyes, I'm just drawing little accent parts around the eyes just to make sure that I do have eye sockets in this look. So I'm just drawing a line right by the bridge of my nose and also on the outer part of my eye socket. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Halloween videos are my favorite to create. So yeah, I hope you liked all my Halloween videos of 2019 and I will see you in my next video.